Mounting TruClose child safety gate hinges is quick and easy on most gates. All regular models of TruClose hinges come supplied with all the screws necessary for installation. All screws supplied are self-drilling, which means they can be installed using only a standard battery drill with number 2 Phillips head drive. The supplied black trim covers can be simply clipped onto the hinge leaves to conceal all visible screws. The next step is to adjust the closing tension of the hinges. Take a large bladed screwdriver and depress the internal adjuster and turn anti-clockwise to increase tension until you obtain suitable gate closing speed. Optional metallic brushed or chrome trim covers are available through your supplier. When installing the hinges to swimming pool or other toddler safety gates, the Hinge Safety Cap supplied should be screwed onto the lower hinge. This prevents toddlers using the bottom hinge as a climbing foothold. Your TruClose safety gate hinges are now ready for use.